now we signed up for something super special and great activity to do while you're here in Hawaii, surfing of course. So we're gonna do some surfing lessons. I think it's about 2 hours, and we chose to go with Ohana Surf Project. So they seem pretty awesome. They're right here in Waikiki Beach, and yeah, we are gonna go and experience surfing with us today. Alright, so we just finished our surfing lesson. What did you think?
It was great. It was awesome. It's really hard.
You liked it?
I really liked it. The instructors are awesome.
Yeah, instructors are super cool, super friendly. It is a bit of a workout, I'm not gonna lie. Like your back and shoulders and arms, like all the paddling, totally rough, but it's a lot easier to do it. You know, they teach you how to stand up and do it correctly, and yeah, once you start catching the waves and get a feel for it, it's not bad. I mean, it's nothing like snowboarding, but it's totally something that you guys have to try, and an amazing experience while you're here in Hawaii. So highly recommend doing this, and go to Ohana Surf Club because they're awesome as well. Probably one of the most famous statues on Waikiki Beach is the Duke, man. Pretty awesome. Actually, people go up and drop their leis, so I got this. I don't know what the whole deal with that is, but it seems pretty cool, so we're gonna do it. Surfing is definitely one of the best experiences to have while you're here in Hawaii, and in fact, it's over 4,000 years old and was originated in ancient Polynesia, and it was just recently brought famous to the world stage by the Duke Kahanamoku, which you can find the statue here, and people throw leis on it to offer as a tribute in respect for him bringing it to the international stage. And Waikiki is one of the best places to actually learn how to surf because the waves are very calm and tame. They're like little baby waves, so you're not going to fall and crash out as often as you expect. And I'm glad that we learned here instead of the North Shore, which is actually famous for surfing and its insane waves. But I think if we learned up there, we definitely would have died. So this was the perfect place to do it. Alright, so if you're here in Oahu, then your number one stop probably has to be to Waikiki Beach, man. It's this beautiful golden beach where, oh man, it's freaking amazing. It actually really feels like I'm in Miami, but water is nice and calm, the sun is hot, and yeah, it's definitely a great beach for you guys to head to.